Change with trivia. The speed of light is 299,792 kilometers per second, and the Great Pyramid of Giza is located at 29.9792 degrees north. A rhinoceros horn is made of hair, not actual horn. There was a legal case debating whether beer foam qualifies as beer. The bidet function of Japanese washlet toilets was developed by male engineers who frequented strip clubs. The most common dice roll result is 5. Ants can survive falling from any height. The logo of the sports brand Puma depicts a female puma attempting to climb a tree. The rotor speed of a helicopter is slower than the low speed of a household fan. Astronauts wear diapers in space. Cinderella in the Grimm brothers fairy tale has killed someone. Milk tea was originally created to mask unpleasant flavors. In China, pandas are shown educational videos about reproduction. Mummies were once used as fuel for trains. Erasers explode if rapidly cooled. Diamonds can break if hit with a hammer. The can opener was invented about 50 years after canned food. Tote bags were originally designed to carry ice. The piggy bank originated in the 14th century. Due to a miscommunication by an English craftsman, the world's oldest condom, dating back to the 16th century in England, was made from fish bladders. The voice you hear on a smartphone call is not the real voice of the person. A single pencil can draw a line up to 56 kilometers long. The size of ancient Egyptian pharaohs' tombs depended on the length of their reigns. The statue of Mannequin Pies is peeing to extinguish a bomb's fuse. Under optimal conditions, human bones can be stronger than steel. Dolphins call each other by unique names. In Germany, you need a national license to fish. Cows and deer align their bodies along magnetic north or south while eating or resting. Dentures were originally made from wood. The face of George Washington on the US $1 bill appears to be biting down to prevent his dentures from falling out. Crawfish release urine from their faces. The founder of jogging as a health practice died while jogging. South Africa has 11 official languages. Rabbits eat their own feces every day. The inventor of the sewing machine was attacked by tailors for revolutionizing the industry. According to calculations, Tyrannosaurus Rex couldn't run. The original story of the Three Little Pigs ends with the pigs eating the wolf. Studies show women perceive colors 4 times more vividly than men. The Eiffel Tower shrinks by about 15 centimeters during winter due to metal contraction. The inventor of roller skates didn't design a way to stop and crashed into a mirror, severely injuring himself. The combined weight of all ants exceeds the total weight of all humans. Today, love is expressed with flowers. Vikings showed love by gifting sword blades. A turtle's shell is made of bone. In the original story, Peter Pan obsessively killed other children. The UK recruits MI5 spies through newspaper ads. Rugby was invented during a soccer match, when a player decided to pick up the ball and run. Sharks have no bones. Skirts were originally worn by men. Annual fashion trends are decided at international conferences. A hippopotamus's sweat is pink or red. Mozart wrote letters to his cousin filled mostly with jokes about feces. Jellyfish venom affects humans, but not turtles. The northernmost village in Norway experiences no sunlight during winter. It takes about 6 months to produce an official table tennis ball. The colors of dinosaurs are mostly speculative. Adult male urine rotates 180 degrees immediately after leaving the body. Purple was a rare and noble color in ancient times, reserved for royalty and aristocracy. Some birds, like migratory species, can sleep while flying. April 4th, June 6th, August 8th, October 10th, and December 12th always fall on the same weekday every year. Finland, with a population of about 5.5 million, has around 3 million saunas, the highest per capita in the world. At zoos, flamingos are fed food that turns their bodies pink. Thai Airways offers a class above first class, called monk class. Turtles can breathe through their rear ends. Cricket matches can last up to 5 days. Pulling out a nose hair always makes the eye on the same side tear up. You're more likely to be hit by a falling meteorite than win a high-stakes lottery. Polar bear fur is actually transparent, not white. The microbes coexisting in the human body weigh about 1 to 2 kilograms. All worker ants you see on the ground are likely grandmothers. In India, it's possible to marry a tree. Helicopters won't crash, even if their engines stop thanks to auto-rotation. In the Grimm brothers' Snow White, she awakens not from the prince's kiss, but because his servant strikes her back. Bees can see ultraviolet light, but cannot see the color red. For males, puberty officially begins when the testicle volume exceeds 4 milliliters. Track athletes perform better running counterclockwise than clockwise. Shark skin is covered in tiny teeth-like structures called dermal denticles. Taiwanese reflexology was invented by a Swiss person. NASA successfully sent an unmanned probe to Saturn after 18 years, but forgot to power on the equipment. Chimpanzee mating can be as short as 7 seconds. Human DNA is 99.9% identical between individuals, with only 0.1% accounting for individuality. In South Korea, a lost wallet placed in a mailbox is delivered to its owner. Ancient Olympic athletes competed completely naked. Even water striders can drown. The world's largest flower smells like feces. Papua in Papua New Guinea means frizzy hair. Dogs scoop up water with the underside of their tongues, not the top. At Finland's Santa Claus village, you can meet Santa Claus year-round. Alcohol tolerance is largely determined by genetics. Spiders build disorganized webs after drinking coffee. The English word nice originally meant stupid. Theoretically, folding a piece of paper 43 times would reach the moon. Dogs have bones in their penises. A request made to someone's right ear is more likely to be accepted than one made to their left ear. In 1904, the first Tour de France champion was disqualified for boarding a train with his bicycle. On Mount Everest, climbers must bring their waist back down due to a lack of toilets. Flamingos are transported in women's stockings at zoos. Bangkok's official name is, so long it can't be written here in full. A narwhal's horn is actually a tooth. Butter was originally used as a medicinal ointment. Octopuses are so intelligent, that they can unscrew jar lids. In Australia, a variation of tag involves boys and girls kissing when one is caught. Change with trivia. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.